It whistles and hums, but it's fixable. Everything's beautiful, so let's get going, friends. As you can hear, step it up, and the drive belt in my Outlander started whistling now. The outside temperature has dropped to minus 15 degrees Celsius. We replaced the belt 10,000 kilometers ago. We're using a special belt spray that will fix this problem. Hi, Remy, which is recommended for preventing and eliminating squeaks. There are links to more information about these sprays in the description. Come and read all the information. We've fixed the problem, let's get going. Friends, as you heard, we fixed the noise from the drive belt in our Mitsubishi Outlander. After we sprayed the belt itself, the car should sit for 10 minutes to absorb the chemicals. The liquid should be applied to the side where the rivulets are and to the rear, to ensure maximum coverage when working with the rollers. We currently use this Fusion lubricant. I can say from experience that we previously used it on a Skoda. Drove 1,500 kilometers and the noise and sound never returned. So, the lubricant works. I think a simple spray will help eliminate all the noise. You don't necessarily need to change the belt right away, especially if the belt has traveled 10,000 kilometers. The cause of this noise may not necessarily be a problem with timing or quality. It could be the same fluid, antifreeze, or power steering. Other contaminants can get in, which can cause this noise. So, don't rush to change it right away. The drive belt is broken. Simply using a chemical will eliminate this noise. It's been tested and works. Yes, if you liked this video, please like it and subscribe. There are many more interesting videos to come. After 10 minutes. Starts. As we can see, this Fusion spray lubricant works. Everything is fixed.